So we're in Clovis, California. Just finished installing a Bradford White 40-gallon natural gas water heater. Starting at the top, we give you all new vent piping coming from your ceiling bucket, which is existing. About a 30-inch piece of single wall B vent coming down, a couple adjustable 90s down to the draft diverter, which comes with the unit. Behind here, you already had brass coming out of the wall, which is really nice. 6-inch nipple there, and then a little shorty there. What we did do though for you is put that quarter turn valve, so that ball valve's quarter turn on, quarter turn off, and then of course a brass nipple in front of it. Anytime you're connecting plumbing for your potable water, you want to use stainless steel, brass, copper, anything that flows well and will not break down. So that's what we've got here, solid brass. And of course stainless steel connectors, those are Falcon stainless steel connectors, 3/4 by 18, 3/4 by 24, 0.725 inside diameter, down to brass extensions on the tank. Gives us a better seating surface right here at the gasket. Relief valves installed. This comes with the water heater from the factory, and this is a safety feature of temperature and or pressure. Builds up, it'll pop off and drain to the exterior of the building. Little piece of galvanized pipe right here. This is not a potable water line. This is a drain line only, so this never has water on it unless something's happening with the water heater. Then it'll discharge through here over to another Falcon stainless steel connector. We did disassemble the copper here, and it was pointing back at an angle with the old water heater, so we just popped it up here, put an adapter on, and so that's tied in here as well. Adjustable straps, upper third, so it's a 57-inch water heater, so you need a strap within the bottom third, which is 19 inches high, and within the upper third, which is 38 inches to 57. So your straps are back in. Down here we gave you a brand new shutoff valve, shut the gas off, gave you a new valve, gave you a new stainless steel connector over to the unit. Haven't lit the burner, the pilot yet, but we're going to do that just in a second. We did sniff this with a gas leak detector, and everything's good. And so this is your serial number, model number. You can go to bradfordwhite.com, give them this information as well as your contact information, get your warranty. 6-year warranty on all parts, 1-year labor, and get that warranty registered. Otherwise, what will happen from date of purchase, I think within 6 months, they'll start the warranty on this automatically. In the event you can't get there and get that taken care of, but there's their website, bradfordwhite.com, where you can register that. Everything here looks good. Outside of that, this installation is done.